Alright, here we are. It's the 20th of January, 2013, I guess. And I know, girls, wait for the ducks to come around. You see them coming around towards you? Here we are at Eagle Harbor, where we're buying a house in Virginia. And this is the neighborhood lake. It's just down the road from us. We're taking a little walk around. And this kind man over here lives right there. He gave us some bread to feed the ducks. And so far we just got a bunch of little seagulls. But the ducks are coming. They want some bread. Guys, wait for the ducks to come. Should we go down and get them?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go feed those ducks. Alright? Krager is loving these birds. Taya, do you like the birds? Taya, come here. What? Are they? Wow, they're coming fast. Look at that. Okay, they're hungry. They want some food. Okay. Kind of spread it, girls. Spread them out so they don't have to. Wow, they like getting close, huh? Clayton, you okay?
This is so cool. I know I've never been this close to a duck before.
Go get him, babe. Throw it way out there. I know. I know. Do you want to go get him, buddy? Is that a goose? What is it? That's a big goose or a duck. I don't know what the difference is, but... Okay. Hey, Krager.
Mom, this duck is like chasing me right now.
Where'd Taya go? Oh, there's Taya.